Hey guys, today I just got in from Amazon this big box, and inside is the Aicok portable ice maker. Now this is a 26-pound countertop ice machine, which means every 24 hours it's going to make 26 pounds of ice. It only takes about 6 to 10 minutes for every 9 ice cubes, and it uses 2 quarts of water for the tank. Is stainless steel ice making machine with an ice scoop and a basket. And I can't wait to get this out of the box and see what's inside. So let's get it out of the box and check it out more. Okay, so now that I have this Amazon box open, I open the box to be greeted with another box. Imagine that. Okay, let's get this out of the box. And we can see it says Aicok. Let's get this box open and see what's inside this one. Okay, so now that I have this box open, we are now greeted with yet another box. All right, let me get this out of the box now, and let's check this one out. Okay, so I got this one out of the box. And we can see this is the Aicok Ice Maker model EP107OTUL. Home Essential, Live Comfortable Ice Machine. There's nothing else on the side of the box, so let's get this out of the box and see what's inside this one. Okay, so now that I have this box open, I open the box and I'm greeted with a user manual. This is the Aicok Ice Maker instruction manual for EP1070TUL. I'll take a look at this a little bit later. I can see that there's a power cord here in plastic and a bunch of foam in the ice maker. So this is a little bit heavy. I'm going to try to get this out carefully. And it just pulls right out of the box. And here we go. So here we go. This is the Aicok ice machine. And I can see, inside there is a basket. And a scoop inside the basket. I can see the reservoir in here. And that's it. On the front panel, I can see that there's an on-off switch and a select switch, which must run through 2 different modes. It also will tell me if it's out of water or if it's full of ice. Inside, we can see the basket and a scoop to scoop out the ice when it's ready. And I guess you can pull out the ice tray and dump it in something else. And there you have it. Once again, this is the Aicok Ice Maker model EP107TUL. I can't wait to take this upstairs, put some water in it, and make some ice. All right, and there it goes. The ice comes out of the molds and it just pushes it straight out into the basket waiting underneath. This thing is really cool. I love it. This is an awesome product and I totally recommend it.